welcome, trolls. Bruce sees all.
Three entire industrial cities and new findings in 3 days. Quiet day. So the Apennine Mountain finding did not get any attention because nobody saw it. So say to yourself, if you saw this, the Apennine Mountains, what I showed you, you are one of a few hundred people that took a look at this. Can you imagine that? And hang on, before we get into revealing Tycho, like I've never done before, this is all new. This base in Sinus Iridium, the connections, my theories on the light structures, how they're illuminating and smoking the surface, I think it's pretty obvious. And you know what? I'm not valorizing myself here or patting myself on the back, but I think I got the cat out of the bag, and that's why they're hiding me. Check this video out. Let me know what you think. Thanks for subscribing. Well, back to working on some areas. I haven't done this in a while, actually, because I had not seen these. Imagine that, beside Tycho crater. So the moon is upside down, and we're at the bottom of the moon, which is now on top, and we're looking at these massive installations. And again, we're going to try to look at them the best way we can. I know there's not going to be a lot of interest in this video. In reality, I just exposed the whole moon. No one's ever done that. So that's it. It's over. It's been done. But there's not going to be any trophies. There's not going to be any news announcements or whatnot. Not yet. But this is not ever going to be hidden again. These installations run for hundreds of miles. There's some symmetry in this. You can see, not for nothing, that nobody lands there, eh? Like, what do you want to do if you land there on the moon? You're stuck in a hole, eh? Because it's completely constructed. And obviously you would get caught. So I'm doing a lot of things here, bringing it up and down the exposure. I'm looking further away. You can't look too close. Even this is almost too close. But in reality, looking at it close like this, you can see that there's a manipulation of the surface. I mean, keeping this video short, it's not like I'm going to show this for 10 minutes, but again, not many people are going to pick up on it because not many people are getting to the channel. But if the whole group of people on all the social media platforms that are into UFOs and the moon and everything and structures and moon bases, wow, imagine how many people would be here. So look here in the holes. Look at all the images I have, guys. I have images of all around Tycho crater for the first time. I'm going to be working on those, showing those. We'll be going back with the telescope on a more of a clear night to see what we can get. Should I show the really, really clear ones, or should I start with all the different editors, like as simple as Photor? Almost mocking NASA. That's right, Photor, NASA is free. Just an image sharpener, right? No manipulation here. So you're looking at Tycho structures, installations. They're all headed towards Tycho. They're smoking the surface again. I'm on a roll here, guys. Several cities that I showed, industrial cities, and even showing some of these smoking areas. Here with the blue tint. Is that helping your eyes? You see how it's getting clearer and clearer and clearer. We'll go back on clearer nights to be able to get it. Now I'm bringing the exposure back up for you. It's an adjustment, and there's no manipulation except for an adjustment of the exposure, right? With a simple color filter. That's it. That's all. We're looking at the real moon. What do you think of it all? All these incredible structures that have taken, they've taken a long time to build, obviously. Here with the exposure taken back down so that we can see as much as we can. It's incredible. The connections, even that area on the top looks like a boat. Looks like we're looking, in the bottom of the ocean. I say it all the time. Someone even commented it again this afternoon. So are we looking at, like I had said a long time ago, are we looking at the sunken city? This is the surface around Tycho crater. You're getting a real glimpse of the surface of the moon. So you could imagine the effing incredible videos that NASA would have and the images that they would have of this surface. They would know when there's a change in the construction. They would know if people are going to and from the moon. So what I'm trying to do and achieving in doing, NASA's doing a lot better, I'm sure of it. So that's the best so far that I think we're doing pretty good here. So hey, keep coming back, guys, if you're curious about the structures. I'll be working a lot this year in 2024, and of course, there's a lot of recent videos that are going to be coming out too. You know, the UFOs in the back here that I filmed with the infrared camera, an infrared drone coming soon with more videos getting closer to the UFOs. So if you appreciate this research, the last video was blocked under 1,000 views on 3 platforms. Please subscribe to the channel and share this out.